there is nothing worse than this. The perfect shot, the perfect moment, gone. All because your battery died. And even if you have a pocket full of spare batteries, you've still got to predict when you're going to run out of power and switch out that battery. That's time not filming. And anyways, your camera might have a built-in battery. No swapping here. But what if your camera mount was also a massive power bank that worked with almost your entire Insta360 collection? What if you could film all day without ever thinking about your battery again? Is battery life your biggest frustration with action cameras? Let me know in the comments below, because this promises to be the perfect solution. But who is this really for? The answer may surprise you. Hey everyone, Saab here from the Tech Packer, helping you upgrade your camera experience without overpacking. Today, we are looking at an accessory that solves the two biggest frustrations for any action camera user: running out of power and getting that perfect hands-free POV shot. This is the new Insta360 FOMO power neck mount. It's not just a mount, it's an all-in-one power and POV solution. And the best part, it's compatible with a huge range of cameras: the X5, the X4, the X4 Air, the X3, the Go Ultra, the Go 3S, the Ace Pro 2, the One RS, the list goes on. So today we're going to do a deep dive and find out if this is the one accessory that every Insta360 user needs. And it works with other camera brands too. Let's be real, we've all been there. You're out on an all-day adventure, maybe on a long hike or exploring a new city. You're capturing amazing footage, but in the back of your mind, you're constantly watching that little battery icon, doing the mental math. That battery anxiety pulls you out of the moment. You start rationing your shots, afraid to film too much because you might miss that sunset, the main event of your day. The standard solution is fumbling with a separate power bank and a long dangling USB cable that snags on your jacket or gets tangled in your gear. It's an awkward, messy compromise. At the same time, you want that immersive hands-free POV shot, but chest mounts can be bulky and restrictive, and hat mounts can be uncomfortable, especially with a heavier camera. This is the problem the FOMO power neck mount is designed to solve. It combines an all-day power source with a comfortable, stable POV mount that works across the entire ecosystem. Let's break down what this thing is. In the box, you get the FOMO power neck mount itself, a standard 3-prong mount, a 1/4 inch to 2-prong adapter, a USB-C charge cable, and this removable neck guard for comfort. The design is simple and clever. It's a lightweight 183-gram neck mount, but hidden inside is a massive 4,800 milliamp hour total power bank capacity. That is a huge amount of power, more than double the capacity of most action camera batteries. It has 2 USB-C ports, one for charging the mount itself and another for outputting power to your camera. And this is a great bonus feature, even to charge your phone. And this isn't just a plastic shell. It's built from heat dissipating graphite and is certified for safe air travel, so you can throw it into your bag, your carry-on bag, with confidence. The front features a simple button with 4 indicator lights that show you the remaining battery level at a glance. So, how does it actually feel to use? First, it's lightweight and sits comfortably around your neck. For longer sessions, you can attach this soft removable neck guard for extra comfort, which is a really nice touch. Now, let's talk mounting. This is where the versatility shines. For cameras like the Ace Pro 2 or even the One RS, you use the standard 3-prong mount. It just slides and clicks right in. For 360 cameras like the X5, X4 Air, X4 or X3, you use the included 1/4 inch to 2-prong adapter. And for the tiny cameras like the Go Ultra or Go 3S, you can use their own quick release mount with that same 1/4 inch adapter. The point is, it's a truly universal system for the entire Insta360 family, or any camera you can fit in here. You take the short USB-C cable and plug it directly into your camera. Just like that, your camera is now charging while you are filming. The mount itself is flexible but sturdy. You can bend it to get the perfect angle, whether you want a tight shot of your hands or a wider view of the scene ahead. It feels secure and stable. So, what can this actually do for you? That 4,800 milliamp battery is no joke. It means you can genuinely leave the house for a full day of shooting and never worry about your camera's battery level. But here's what it really unlocks. It makes power-hungry features like pre-recording mode genuinely usable. Normally, leaving pre-recording on would kill your internal battery in no time, but with the neck mount, you can now have it on all day. Imagine you're a travel vlogger exploring a busy market. You can't possibly film everything, but with pre-recording enabled, the moment something amazing happens and you hit record, the camera has already saved the 30 seconds before it. You get the shot without ever missing the start. This mount gives you a fantastic, stable first-person point of view that is also incredibly immersive. So for a DIY or tutorial creator, you can now get a perfect shot of your hands as you're cooking or assembling a product. For a parent, you can chase your toddler around a park and capture their perspective without needing to hold a camera. For a cyclist or hiker, it provides a stable, engaging view of the trail ahead, but let's be very clear about one thing. The product page shows someone fishing, which is a great use case, but the mount itself is not waterproof. So fishing from a boat on a clear day, perfect if you're careful. But if you're fly fishing in a river or doing anything where it might get seriously splashed or submerged, this is not the right tool for the job. For dry land adventures, it's fantastic. And here's the hidden feature. It's not just for your camera. If your phone is about to die mid-trip, you can plug it into the neck mount and charge it up. It's a multi-purpose tool which is invaluable for any traveler or digital nomad trying to minimize their gear. And remember, airlines are getting quite fussy about how many batteries you can take on board now. Now, a couple of important notes from Insta360 to protect your gear. As I mentioned, it's not waterproof. It's also durable, but not indestructible, so avoid dropping or crushing it. And like any battery, if you haven't used it for a few months, give it a full charge before you head out. So, who should actually buy the FOMO Power Neck mount? The name says it all. This is for the creator with a fear of missing out. It's for the X series user who wants to record longer 360 videos without battery anxiety. It's for the Go series user who wants to overcome the smaller internal battery that you can't swap out for all-day POV shooting and that excellent pre-recording feature. And for the Ace series user who needs a stable, powered, hands-free solution for their adventures. This is not just an accessory, it's an insurance policy against the dead battery and for the time lost switching out your batteries and trying to predict when the one you're using is going to run out of juice. It's the tool that gives you the confidence to hit record and stay in the moment, knowing your gear won't quit before you do. And just on one personal note, wearing a neck mount with a camera on the heavier side of things may start to feel a little bit wearing after a while, so that's something you might want to bear in mind. For me, it would be tolerable for maybe 10-20 minutes, but after that, it might feel a little bit challenging. So, you know what, everybody's going to differ in this. And if you're a power user of a 360 camera or you just prefer using grips, this is the power handle you need to know about because it might be the only grip you ever need to buy. Up here.